when it comes to higher education, you need to have someone who really understands the mission of the institution and what is it that we're trying to accomplish. And Spinitar was well versed in understanding that and being able to be helpful to us in this process. Working with Spinitar made it much easier for us to implement the changes that needed to happen and bring the system to what it is today, so it fully addresses all of our educational needs.
Spinitar knows how to get you there. We wanted very interactive rooms, playback, taping, Skype, multiple sources patched to monitors. It was actually a very complex system. We describe what we want. Spinitar comes back to us and says, okay, here are possible solutions.
So having a partner that understands us and what is it that we're trying to do and our environment is key. And Spinitar delivered perfectly on that. They were responsive, they were proactive, they wanted to make sure that all of our needs were taken care of in a timely fashion, and they did that really well, and I thank them for that.